Now you see this piece. It's used to fix the front wheel of a motorcycle. Self-locking clamp. It has 7 gears to adjust. Can fit from 16 to 21. Tires not wider than 160 millimeters. This wheel clamp. It has the function of pulling back and forth on the table. Its main function is, the front wheel comes up with a self-locking clamping function. The table length of this lift is 2 meters too. When the actual size of the motorcycle is too long, the position of the wheel clamp bottom plate can be adjusted appropriately. To slightly extend its adaptive length, require special attention. This center of gravity position where the front wheel is in contact with the table. It must be required that the pressure part of the tire bottom is on the platform, not beyond the table. Otherwise, there will be security risks. This is something to be aware of. Now you see this part. It's a state that extends forward. Attention control length. Now look at the tail of the stage. This is the loading plate. Use non-slip pattern plate steel material. Practical and durable. It uses a simple hanging hole mounting structure. Manhole for rear wheel. It uses a flip-down structure design. Can be pulled with one hand. Will clamp in front of platform. It also has the function of turning down. Easy to remove and install motorcycle tires. It's very simple to operate. One person can do it with one hand. More convenient. There are 3 buttons on this magnetic remote control. One is scram, one is up and one is down. There are 2 magnetic magnets on the back. It can be adsorbed on metal surfaces. When you're operating the lift, we can press the up and down button to control the rise and fall. When faced with some emergency situation, like a foreign object suddenly found under the lift, we hit the scram button. It can stop immediately. Rotate the emergency stop button to reset it. This is a sinking strap retainer. 1 for 4. Pull up when using. Stick to countertop when not in use. There's a little hidden design element in there. This long slot serves as a tool and hanging hole. Alternatively, it is used for binding cable holes. These 3 round holes. It's reserved for the side panel widening extension. The addition can make the table from the original 75 centimeters wide. It expands to a width of 1.5 centimeters. Then this component is a clamping device that holds the wires in place. Can pass the tensile test. Effectively prevent some thought misoperation. Pull the wires out of the internal wiring. This is a design for safety. This component is a shock cushion. When the table comes down, it acts as a countertop level support. In addition, the top material is nylon. It prevents the table from coming into contact with this part. Damage the paint layer at the bottom of the countertop. Otherwise, the operation will take a long time. This part of the plastic powder will break and rust. This position is a safety support device. Rail rollers on both sides. It is made of polymer nylon material. It's quieter than an iron wheel. Can also be more efficient load bearing. This is the angle of view of the support arm. The support arm is a scissor-type moving part. At the junction we have adopted a refueling port design. Just for easy maintenance later. If the equipment is used for a long time, it will dry and make abnormal noise. Then it can be regular for 1 to 3 months or so. According to their own state of use. Get some grease to lubricate it. The ends of the support arms are not visible. They are also equipped with long-acting lubricated bearings. These positions can be used to fill the oil. This is the general introduction. Thank you for watching.